Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2011 government past question. Question number 46. And question number 46 says, which of the following was a Secretary General of Opec? Which of the following was a Secretary General of Opec? And we all know what Secretary General is. Then Opec stands for, the O stand for station, the P pet petroleum E exporting C country. So organization of petroleum exporting countries. So which of this person has held the position of Secretary General? A. Dalatu Bayero, B. Rilwan Lukman, C. Jibril Aminu, D. Arent Adams. The person who has held the position before Secretary General under OPEC was Rilwan Lukman. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.